Everyone. Good morning, sir. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments, where narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where time is striving, stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary deserts, sand of dead habits, where the mind is led by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country away.
जीवात्मा गुरु कृतिभ्या उर्वे गए छत्य समम। सुप्रभात, मैं श्लोक का अर्थ बताने जा रहा हूँ। जिस प्रकार एक पतंग हवा और रस्सी के सहारे आकाश में उड़ती जाती है, उसी प्रकार गुरु और अच्छे आचरण के द्वारा आत्मा भी ऊपर उठती है। धन्यवाद। आज का राष्ट्रीय समाचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। लॉस एंजलिस के जंगलों में लगी आग के कारण भारी नुकसान। अफगानिस्तान में फिर से लगे भूकंप के झटके। 24 घंटे में दूसरी बार धरती कांपी। 26 जनवरी पर जम्मू कश्मीर को जलाने की साजिश नाकाम। सुरक्षा बलों ने जब्त किए हथियार। महाकुंभ की प्रयागराज में तैयारियां पुर। आज है पहला स्नान। 2025 में 6.6% रहेगी भारत की GDP ग्रोथ रेट। मैं आज का खेल समाचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। 36 घंटों में 3 पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर का संन्यास। हॉकी में लगातार तीसरी बार भारत ने फाइनल में पाकिस्तान को हराकर चैंपियन बना।
children, respected parents, teachers, lovely children. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Beautiful assembly children, you all have presented. You have enlightened us with the meaning of what it means to be celebrating Makar Sankranti. These little children from class 2A, 2B, they have put across information regarding the same to us through their speeches, songs, and lovely dance. We all enjoyed your dance. The fire on the stage was also lovely. We all are so lucky, fortunate to have been born in India, where we celebrate so many festivals, irrespective of the communities that we belong to, the religions that we follow. We celebrate festivals like Makar Sankranti all over the country. We celebrate Diwali together, Holi, Dashera, Ganesh Utsav, Garba. They are no more restricted to certain states or regions. Throughout the nation, we all love to follow them and enjoy them. From today onwards, what has started in Prayagraj? It is Mahakumbh, which comes after how many years? How many years? 144 years. It's lifetime, once in lifetime. We are getting this Mahakumbh. So people will do. But we need to cleanse our bodies, but at the same time, cleaning our own selves, our inner consciousness is also more important. The real nectar, the Amrit, lies in our minds. You have to purify that to attain salvation, to attain the real moksha. What is moksha? Moksha is peace. So for that, you have to the more you will do that, the better you will become. You'll remember, children? You all were provided a form. So I hope today you must have brought them back. Your class teachers, and class teachers are requested to do the needful as early as possible. Today, as we'll be having zero period soon after assembly, we'll be skipping period number 1 and period number 2. Thank you.